sleepyhead. We still have all of the gifts from our engagement party setting out. I should probably put some of them away. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's Thursday. I am currently cooking some lunch. Hopefully it doesn't burn while I film this. But this weekend we don't really have very many plans, so I thought it could be fun to do just a really nice cozy home vlog. I personally love to watch vlogs when people are at home, so hopefully you guys will like this too. It's been quite gloomy here in Glasgow the past couple of days, so it's making me feel very cozy and autumnal. So hopefully those vibes will come across in this vlog as well. I need to check on my tofu. It does not sound good. As I'm sure you'll have been able to tell from the vlogs, the past few months have been quite busy. We've been away a few times, and then we've been doing a lot of wedding planning and stuff like that, which has all been super fun, but we haven't really stayed in the flat. My lunch is very loud, but I feel like we haven't really been in the flat consistently for a long period of time. So I'm quite excited to just spend the weekend here, not really have any plans. Last week was our engagement party, which was so much fun. I'm so sad it's over. Is that too loud? I feel like it might be. We're both so sad it's over. We were literally saying the other day, I can't imagine how people feel after a wedding. Like, I feel like I'm just gonna be so upset when everything's done. Obviously that's still a long way away. Our wedding is not anytime soon, but we still have lots of really fun and exciting things to plan. Hopefully you guys are enjoying seeing the wedding content. I know maybe not everyone will be interested in it, but it is obviously a fairly big part of my life right now, so I want to include all that stuff, and I feel like it will all be fun to look back on when everything is over. But again, not anytime soon. Tomorrow's the 1st of August, and our goal for the end of August is to have sent out our save the dates, so that's really exciting. But anyway, even though I said I don't really have many plans this weekend, I am actually going to Edinburgh this evening. Danny's already there for work, and we are going out for drinks tonight with his younger brother and his girlfriend, so that'll be really fun. I'm excited for that, so I need to get ready and stuff like that. I don't really know what time I'm going at. I think Danny might be going for dinner with some work people, so I probably won't go in until this evening, so I still have quite a while until I need to get ready. I'm gonna eat my lunch and watch the new episode of the Songwriters Party, which I'm so excited about. Apparently this one's really dramatic. New episode. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till next week. This is my outfit for Edinburgh, nothing too crazy. I hate the fact that I feel like I've been wearing jeans so much because I'm much more of like a skirt and dress kind of person. But I feel like the weather's kind of weird right now that it's too warm to wear tights, but it gets kind of chilly in the evening, and then I don't want my legs to be cold. So I've just gone with jeans again, and I have this cardigan to put on it as well if it gets a bit colder. I really don't know what jewelry to wear because obviously my belt's silver, so I've just put this necklace on and I just have my normal earrings in. But I don't know if I should have maybe changed my earrings and maybe take the necklace off and change the earrings. Oh, I don't know, I kind of need to leave, but I don't really like this. And I'm also too warm. My makeup is like sweating off my face. We're currently just out on a walk. We were both a little bit hungover this morning, as you can probably tell from my face. I feel like I go really puffy when I'm hungover, which is why I can't drink the day before our wedding. But Danny has an appointment this afternoon, so I'm just walking with him, having a pretty chill day. I think we're gonna have a nice movie night tonight.
Yes, and chili.
And chili, yeah. Yum, wholesome, a wholesome Friday
Can't wait.
night. As soon as we were drinking last night.
Yeah. Excuse you.
Got a free hot chocolate. from a machine. It was actually pretty good. Toes.
No, the dogs.
We're having my famous turkey chili as our Friday night dinner. I'm so excited. We haven't had this for ages. This is like one of our favourite meals. Happy Saturday! Oh wow, I look so good. Bonesy, it's the weekend. We're starting our cozy Saturday by going on a run, which is not the funnest thing, but we like to do these runs where we'll stop halfway through at like a new coffee shop we've never been to and stuff like that to make it a bit more of an event rather than just going on a run. So we're about to go do that today and we're going to the cinema later, which I'm really excited about. Maybe I'll make some cookies for the cinema, possibly if I've got time. So it should be a fun Saturday. I'm really excited. This is my little running outfit. Danny bought me this jacket last year from Gymshark. I really like it. I hope I'm not going to be too warm though. I feel like it's kind of warm outside. Oh, sweaty.
It is sweaty. Don't stop you.
It's so sunny outside, so I've had to put the blinds like half down, so I'm sorry if the lighting looks weird, but we are obviously back from our run now. I'm just trying to quickly get ready for the cinema because our showing literally starts in 20 minutes and we have not left the house. We are going to see the new I Know What You Did Last Summer, which I'm really excited about because I love the first film, or I guess the original film, but I made Danny watch it the other day as well and he really enjoyed it, so we thought we would go and see that today, so I'm really excited. The run was also fairly successful. I've not gone on a run for a while, and the last time I did one it was such a disaster. I was literally not in a good way, but it was actually fine this time, except it did take a bit longer for us to get back than we thought because I kind of wanted to walk half of it. So I'm quite happy with the run today. However, it has made us a little bit late for the cinema, so I don't know what is going on with my chin. It's like breaking out really badly right now. They're like actually sore. It's like those kind of spots that actually hurt. Also, if you watch my last vlog, I got my hair cut, so I'm trying to figure out how to style my fringe well. Obviously I've had a fringe for ages, but I feel like it's a bit more even and stuff now, so I'm trying to like put an effort to make it look okay. My hair's literally wet. We really need to leave. I kind of look a mess, but the cinema's dark. Cinema for a few hours. What did you think of the film?
It was actually quite good. It was
fun.
fun.
We both really enjoyed it. It was really funny. Obviously it's like a horror, but it's kind of like one of those horrors that just kind of
slasher, isn't it?
Yeah. So I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend watching the original first though before.
Yeah, you don't need to watch the second one.
Just for a wee bit of background.
The second one does become relevant.
Oh yeah, there is another one.
Yes,
called I Still Know What You Did Last Summer.
And there's an after credit scene.
Oh yeah, there's an after credit scene in this one, so don't leave the cinema. But we've had dinner and Danny is currently making, let me find it, these things, almond cream triangles from this cookbook that our friend got us for our engagement party. It's like a Lisbon foods cookbook.
Jesuitas.
I was gonna bake cookies tonight, but I didn't. But maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Danny just went to the shops and got me some colours.
She's a simple man.
After dinner treat.
But I don't know we got engaged and had an engagement party. Another one of our friends, Alex, and Honey got us.
Oh yeah, oh my god, that I didn't realise that was blue.
Yeah, it's some Portuguese wine, an Alvarino.
Is this lighting really bad?
No, haha, you look great.
I feel like my camera's been really weird with lighting the past couple of days. Hey Bones! Mwah! Bones, it's you. Oh my gosh, look Danny, look, he's looking.
Hold on!
He's got airplane ears, he doesn't like it. This doesn't look right.
No, it doesn't.
Do you think this is like tablet now?
Well, I would not put that in your mouth.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is a terrible angle, but we're in such a rush, but we are about to try the things we were making last night. My camera's also like upside down. What's going on?
Except yours doesn't have the almond. Mmm.
Not a lot of filling.
Yeah. Yours is mostly pastry.
Tastes good though. A success, I think.
Do you feel Portuguese? Shoo!
Not really. Who does that? Messi. Wait, no, he's Argentinian, right?
Good job, you. Okay, football girl.
Ronaldo?
Yeah.
We're going out today with my brother and his girlfriend for a Sunday roast, which I'm so excited about. We're going kind of far away though, so we really need to leave.
Oh god, we need to leave now.
Yeah. And this is what I'm wearing.
People say that big almond on top thing.
It's currently almost 7:15. We have just got back from our lunch. We had such a nice time. We ended up going to a place called the Village Inn in Arica, which Danny and I have been to before for food, but I've never had their Sunday roast. It was okay, I had beef. It wasn't the best Sunday roast I've ever had, but it was still tasty. But we had a really nice time with my brother and his girlfriend, and we're both so tired now. I had a really bad sleep last night, so I feel so exhausted. So it's gonna be a very chilled evening. Wow, it looks so good. On our way home, we stopped by the shops and just got some pasta and pesto for dinner. I had also planned on making cookies tonight, but I had ice cream for dessert and now I feel kind of sick. So I think I'm gonna save the cookies for tomorrow night. I think I'm still gonna film tomorrow because I'm guessing that this vlog is probably still quite short. I don't know why, I just cannot seem to film that much. Like, I always think I'm filming loads and then I edit it and it's like 2 minutes long. I think I need to talk more in my vlogs, but I just like don't know what to talk about a lot of the time and I'm worried that I'm gonna bore people. But I feel like maybe is that what people want to see? Like, do you prefer watching me chat a bit more, or would you rather just see like montages? Or I don't really know what an in-between would be. Somebody told me a while ago that I don't film enough when I'm out the flat, so I've been trying to do that a bit more, but I just never know if I should be like talking when I'm out, or not if I should be, but if people want to see that, or if it's just like annoying me explaining what I'm doing when I could just like show you. I don't know, please let me know, or just like anything in general about how I can improve my videos. Obviously I've been doing YouTube for so long, but I'd like to know what people want to see now, because I don't want to just like keep filming the same things if that's not really what people are interested in watching. I also call basically every single video life in Glasgow, and I don't know if that's just now like getting so repetitive and boring, so I can definitely stop that if people don't want to watch another life in Glasgow video, or like wouldn't click on it. I don't know. Also, I never really say this, but if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did. I also did see someone talk about that if you turn on like the post notifications, it pushes my videos out to more people because it shows that people are interested in my channel. I don't really know if that's true or not, but if any of you fancied doing that, then I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, I think we're just gonna have a fairly chilled night tonight. I'm gonna go for a shower and put on some fresh pajamas. We also need to change our bedding, and then I think we're gonna try and watch a horror movie or something like that, and yeah, just have a really chill day. I was saying to Danny, I feel like the past couple of weeks I keep almost feeling like I'm getting sick, and I was kind of feeling that today, so I'm just gonna have a really chilled night and hope that that does not escalate into anything else. Hi everyone, today's Monday. We actually have an amber weather warning today for wind, which is kind of crazy. I feel like it doesn't look that windy outside, but who am I to argue with the Met Office? But I've actually spent most of the morning and the afternoon cleaning the flat and just tidying up a bit. I can't tell what I'm trying to say.
Do you like
does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. Do you have like 9 takes when I'm not here?
Yeah, honestly I do.
Oh, so I'm not one making you like nervous?
No. Okay, that's so great that I'm trying to film.
Sorry.
But now I'm planning on having a bit of a TV show afternoon because the second season of Wednesday comes out this week, and I thought I could rewatch the first season. I'm a big Addams Family fan, and I also love Tim Burton, so obviously I love Wednesday, the TV show. So that's my plan for the rest of the afternoon, but this morning I actually also did finish Magnolia Parks. This has been a while that I've been reading this. Somebody did comment on one of my recent vlogs and asked if I could share my thoughts when I finished it, because I was a bit of a hater in the other vlog about this book, which I kind of still stand by. I hated all the characters, which I know, like, you don't have to like the characters to like the book, but I usually like when there's someone I can root for. I was rooting for Tom in this book, which I read quite a lot of Goodreads reviews on it, because I just love reading reviews for like films and TV shows and books after I finish them, because I like to see if I am in the majority, and it seems that I was with my opinions on this book. It seemed that everyone thought it was a bit ridiculous. Yeah, I hated like basically every single character in this. Magnolia and BJ were like the worst couple ever, and they were both really annoying. Saying that though, I did finish the book, and I was like, found out that there's actually a sequel to it, and now I'm like, actually I feel like I kind of need to read it. Like, the book did grip me quite a lot, but it was quite repetitive, which I found a bit annoying, but I did finish it and I did kind of enjoy it. I don't really know, I can't decide. I know that there is another book in the same world, Daisy Hates, and I've heard that that's better, but I'm not sure I will read that. I feel like this was enough for me, and then maybe the second one, but like, I feel like I'm hooked on this story now, and I don't really want to start another story in the same world, if that makes sense. I'm not sure I can put myself through this again. Let me know if any of you guys have read this and what you thought, because I feel like I'd heard really good things about it. I just don't really know. I can't decide how I feel about it. Anyway, moving on. While I was reading Magnolia Parks, I had to put it down for a while because it was irritating me. So I read this book called The Darkness Within Us that Danny bought me for our anniversary, and I really liked this book actually. When I started it, I did not think I was gonna like it at all. And I used to love fantasy when I was younger, but I feel like the past few years I've been a wee bit of a fantasy hater, and I didn't know that this was fantasy when I started it, but I actually ended up really liking it. So now I think I'm converted to like fantasy. I feel like I should maybe read Avatar as my next fantasy, because I know, thank you, because I know everyone loves that, but I really liked this book. I think that is a first one. This is the second one in the series. I don't think that really matters because it's about two sisters and this is about the other one. So I need a new book thing to read.
Oh well.
I wanted to go and buy the last book in the Summer I Turned Pretty series because I'm really impatient and I don't want to wait until the end of the TV show. So I might do that at some point. The leaves are going yellow. That means it's autumn. For dinner we're having some pita and chicken, some veg and some chips. It was meant to be kind of a hero thing, but
We didn't brush with gas.
yeah.
And olives. A big
Yeah.
jug of olives.
I don't like olives though, but here's some olive
Olive
content
content.
if any of you guys are into that.